Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Johan Villanueva and today we'll be reviewing the iPega Tomahawk. So without wasting more time, let's get started. So starting with the design, this has a plastic build with nice grips inside. This has the usual Xbox layout with R1 and R2 and XYAB controls. You can also see a micro USB for charging the device. On the front, you can see the home button as well as an Android button for connecting to Android devices. You can also see a phone holder which holds your phone up to 5.5 inches. Connecting this gamepad is very simple. All you have to do is turn on Bluetooth on your phone and on the gamepad, and it will pair it up. While you can use Bluetooth on your phones or tablets, you can also use the micro USB cable for connecting to PCs or laptops. For the most part, it's very easy to connect via Bluetooth. Though we had some problems with Huawei devices connecting, it's very simple to patch it up by iPega. Gaming is a breeze with this gamepad. We had no input lags at all. We tested this out with a Zenfone 3 and a Huawei Honor 4X and we had no problems with input lags. It's very good. We had several hours with this gamepad and it's pretty comfortable. So for less than $25, is it worth it? With a good grip and comfortability as well as clicky buttons, there's no denying that this iPega Tomahawk is a really great bargain for the money. I would say it's a bang for the buck. So that's about it guys. Thanks for watching. I'm Johan Villanueva and I'll see you on the next video.